Colombia, a hidden gem of Latin America. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to the vibrant streets of Cartagena, a city filled with rich history, captivating murals, and warm smiles. So immerse yourselves in the sights and sounds of this beautiful coastal paradise. One thing about Cartagena, it's known for its magnificent street art. It takes you on a visual journey like no other. Every corner hides a story painted with passion and creativity. As I wandered through these alleys, I couldn't help but feel connected to the culture and the artistic soul of this vibrant city. Exploring this city just isn't about the visuals. It was definitely about the people. Their warmth and friendly nature left a very lasting impression on me. I stopped by to share a few words with some of the local fruit vendors, discovering the flavors, their tradition, and learning about their story. While on my time and on my trip to Colombia, I also visit Bogota. Although I don't have any footage of my time there, it was a great and captivating trip just as well. The whole country of Colombia was very warm and welcoming with some of the best food I ever had. If you ever go to Colombia, you definitely have to try the coconut rice. It is delicious. So whether it's the captivating history, the vibrant culture, or the postcard-worthy natural landscape, Cartagena offers a truly unparalleled experience for every traveler. I hope this video transports you to a world where time stands still, inviting you to immerse yourself in the vibrant spirit of this magical city. Thanks for sticking around to the end and exploring this amazing trip with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and let's explore the world together. Until next time.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest.